So, final lesson to complete the string of whatever it was, 4 or 5 lessons just there about playing the blues and visualising the chords. You can take your time to study each chord, and one of the things that a lot of old jazz players used to do is play the chord first and then do something with it, play it again and do something else with it. So you get this kind of thing, this sort of okay, so that kind of thing, actually hitting the chord and then improvising around it and sustaining notes that are in the chord. So that's a good thing to do, and you can do E for ages and ages and ages until you feel like you know what you're doing. Bearing in mind that in a 12-bar blues, the chord that's happening most of the time is the root chord. So 12-bar blues in E is the chord that's playing most of the time. So that is the chord that you need to know the best and have the most ideas for. And then second in line is A. A is playing, a bit less than half the time, I'd say. And then finally B, which is the 5th chord in the key, it's not actually playing that often. It depends on which 12-bar blues structure you're using, but the most tends to be 2 bars of B. That would be the absolute most. Quite often it's less than that. Quite often it's 1.5, I guess, because you like in bar 9 you'd have a B, then bar 10 you'd have an A, and then bar 11 you'd have the turnaround, which sort of leads into bar 12, and there you've only got another 2 beats of B7. So in all, out of your 12 bars, it's only 1.5 bars of B7. So you just need to, you don't need to have a whole lot of ideas about what to play over the 5th chord in the key, in this case B7, because it just doesn't roll around that much. You do need to have some ideas. You don't want to be playing some bum notes every time that chord rolls around. But most important is E, and then A, or E7 and A7. Okay, so I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Any questions, contact me through the website and I'll see if I can help you out. Okay, see you next time.